Hello friends, this is Gaurav Shen and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the Steelbird Air SBA1 helmet and give an overview of the product. I purchased it for Rs 1617 from Amazon.in. The helmet gets high points for looks and graphics with its matte finish feel and attractive colors. This model is available in various designs, while this one is called Free Live Black and Orange. This one comes with a single black tinted visor. You can also choose a clear visor if you want to, or buy an extra one if required for night riding, as I would not recommend using the black visor on dark roads. There is an intake air vent on top which can be opened and closed with the help of this slider here, and another one on the chin for keeping you cool during summer rides. This helmet comes with just an ISI certification which is marked at the back along with an information tag or sticker below it. It weighs roughly around 1150 grams only, which makes it a very light helmet. I chose a 600 size for myself. The outer shell is made of ABS or acrylonitrile, butadiene, and styrene material. The inner shell is made of multi-layer EPS or expanded polystyrene, known better as thermocol, which is of high and low density with air channels. There are two exhaust air vents at the back which drags out the hot air, keeping the head cool and dry during a ride. It comes with a quick release micrometric buckle which meets European standards, although I would have preferred a double D-ring strap or buckle. The SBA1 has fully removable and washable inner liners designed in Italy. The interior is made of hygienic multi-pore breathable padding for comfort and neck support. I personally felt that the padding could have been a little thicker for my comfort. The other helmets that I have used have thicker padding than this one. I was extremely surprised to see that there was no chin padding for protection in case of an undesirable crash. This red button here is used to quick release the visor. The polycarbonate anti-scratch visor can be easily removed without the help of any screwdriver or wrench. The inner liners can be easily removed by pulling off the buttons inside. The air enters through these vents and comes up through these internal veins to form a wall against the visor to prevent fogging. Steelbird also fails to provide a chin curtain at this budget. Here is a closer view of the little red button that I was talking about, which is used to release the visor. I found a little defect on the graphics here. There is another intake air vent above the visor which remains open and can't be shut if needed. I hope you liked this video. Please feel free to comment and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading a review video of this helmet after using it for more miles. Till then, this is Gaurav saying adios, ride hard, but ride safe and live free.